Hello. 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 Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Woohoo! So, 3 years of Godha, and I am so happy. Hi, Amy. Amy, मेरी मलयालम फिल्म पहली मलयालम फिल्म गोधा ਨੂੰ 3 ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ and it's the 3 year anniversary. ਤੇ I just wanted to tell all of you that I'm so happy that I was a part of Godha. I learned wrestling for this film and it made me feel more strong because I got to know a lot of moves जो मैं ਹੁਣ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. And thank you, Amy. So thanks, Advi, thank you so much. So yeah, 3 years of Godha, and I'm so thankful to Sarthi sir, our producer, Tovino Thomas, my co-actor. I never thought that I would find such a good friend in Tovino, but thanks Tovi and Vishnu, our amazing DOP. He's done some amazing job. I think no one has ever showed Punjab so beautifully as how they showed in Godha. So I'm really happy about that. I think also those who don't know, those who don't know, I played a Punjabi girl in this Malayalam film. Actually, wait, where? Okay. So yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm very good. आज 3 साल हो गए गोधा ਨੂੰ, so मैं live आई ਹਾਂ for that.
ਆ ਫਿਲਟਰ ਯਾਰ
ਵਧੀਆ।
move ਕਰ ਲਾ, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੇਂਜ ਹੈਗੀ।
ਕੀ ਕਰ ਲਾ?
ਫਿਲਟਰ
ਕੀ
ਰਿਮੂਵ
ਕਰ
ਕਰ
ਲਾ?
ਲਾਂਗਾ ਆਪਣਾ।
नहीं यार, I like this filter.
ਰਿਮੂਵ ਕਰ ਲਾ ਡਾਰਲਿੰਗ।
Why?
ਉਹ ਯਾਰ ਉਹੀ ਧੁੰਦਲਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਲੱਗੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਦਿਖੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਂਦਾ ਕੋਈ।
क्योंकि मैं धुंधला इफेक्ट ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ।
ਤੇ ਉਹੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਹੀ ਜਾਣਾ
It's
ਵੀ
supposed
ਹਟਾ
to
ਲਾ
be ਧੁੰਧਲਾ। मैं नहीं हटा रही।
ਹਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਿਹਾ।
नहीं क्यों नहीं, आ देख कितना सही। तू भी ला ले।
ਆ ਪੜ ਕੀ ਆ? ਆ ਪੜ ਕੀ ਆ? ਆ ਕੀ ਆ? ਆ ਪੜ ਕੀ ਆ?
ਕੀ ਹੈ
ਪੜ ਕੀ? ਇਹ
ਕੀ ਹੈ?
ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਊੜਾ, ਆ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ
ਊੜਾ।
ਐੜਾ, ਆ ਈੜੀ।
ਹਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ।
ਊੜਾ ਐੜਾ ਈੜੀ। ਸਾਡਾ ਗਾਣਾ ਜਰਨੈਲ ਭਾਈ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਸਾਰੇ ਭਾਈ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਮੱਥਾ ਟੇਕਦੇ ਆਂ।
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ। ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਮਾਮਿਕਾ ਜੀ, ਹਾਊ ਆਰ ਯੂ? ਸਾਡਾ ਅੱਜ ਗਾਣਾ ਆਇਆ।
ਯੇ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਮੈਂਡੀ ਨੂੰ ਇਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ। ਆਈ ਸੈਡ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਸ਼ਾਰਟਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲੈਫਟ ਟੂ ਰਾਈਟ,
ਟਿਕਟੌਕ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਭੇਜੋ।
ਅੱਜ ਹੀ ਮਿਲੂਗਾ। ਆ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ ਇੰਨੀ ਸੋਹਣੀ orange ਲਾਈਟ ਪੈ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਬਣਾਉਂਗੀ ਹੁਣੇ।
ਯੈਸ
ਤੋੜਦਾ ਹੈ ਦਿਲ,
ਮੈਂ ਨਵਾਂ ਗਾਣਾ
ਉਹੀ ਯਾਦ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਸੁਣਾ ਨਾ।
ਤੂੰ ਪੱਥਰ ਦਿਲ ਦਾ ਏ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਡਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਟੁੱਟਣੇ ਦਾ, ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿੱਸਾ ਹੀ ਛੱਡ ਦੇਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੱਥੋਂ ਲੁੱਟਣੇ ਦਾ। ਜਦ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚੀਸ ਮਿਲੇ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਆਸੀਸ ਮਿਲੇ, ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਗ ਨਾਲ ਖੇਲ ਲਿਆ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਡਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਫੁਕਣੇ ਦਾ। ਅਸੀਂ ਪਿੰਜਰੇ ਚ ਰਹਿ ਕੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਕਰੀ ਗਏ, ਚੰਗਾ ਹੁਣ ਪੰਛੀ ਆਜ਼ਾਦ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਏ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦਿਲ ਤੋਂ ਨਿਭਾਵੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛੇ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੋੜਦਾ ਏ ਦਿਲ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਯਾਦ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਏ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ। ਇੱਕ ਵੀਰ ਸਨੀ ਦਾ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਆਇਆ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੀਰੇ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਰੀ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਨਾਲ ਵਰਤਦਾ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਗੱਲ ਆ, ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਕਲਾਕਾਰ ਲੜਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆਪੋ ਚ।
That's so true, ਹਾਂ। ਮੈਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂਡੀ ਬਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ, I mean ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂਡੀ ਬਾਰੇ ਵੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਂਡੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੱਚੀ ਦੋਸਤ ਹੋ, I'm like ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਚ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖ ਸਕਦੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੱਚੇ ਦਿਲੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਸ ਦਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਚਾਹ ਸਕਦੇ, ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਅਜੀਬ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ। ਪਰ ਚਲੋ
ਕੋਈ ਮਸਲਾ ਨਹੀਂਗਾ,
है कि नहीं?
ਸਾਰੇ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀਆਂ ਕਲਾ ਵਾਲੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਬੰਦੇ ਆ ਸਾਰੇ,
हाँ,
ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ।
सारे मेहनत
ਸਭ
कर रहे हैं,
ਸਭ
सारे ਵਧੀਆ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਅੱਛਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆ ਵੀ
ਯੈਸ।
ਦੱਸ ਦਿਓ ਕਿ ਆਪਣਾ ਗਾਣਾ ਕਦੋਂ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ?
ਆਪਣਾ ਗਾਣਾ ਮੋਸਟ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਬਲੀ 1.5 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਤੱਕ, 1.5 month, ਮਤਲਬ ਜੁਲਾਈ, ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਚੱਲੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਮਈ ਜੂਨ ਜੁਲਾਈ ਫਸਟ ਵੀਕ ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ।
ਤੇ ਉਹ
ਯਾਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ 25 28 ਜੂਨ ਨੂੰ ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ ਚੱਲ।
ਵਾਹ ਥੈਂਕਸ 5 ਦਿਨ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ,
That's gonna be
ਬਹੁਤ
on.
ਵੱਡਾ
That's
ਡਿਸਕਾਊਂਟ
gonna be
ਦਿੱਤਾ।
on. That's gonna be on Emmy Work Production. Because ਹੁਣ ਆ ਸ਼ੂਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਮਤਲਬ ਆਹ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਹੋਇਆ, ਹੁਣ ਤੋੜਦਾ ਤੇ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਹੋਇਆ, ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਹੋਣਾ ਟੀ ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਗਾਣਾ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੋਣਾ 28 ਤਰੀਕ ਨੂੰ। 28 ਕਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ? 28 ਮਈ ਨੂੰ। ਹੁਣੀ ਬਸ 1 ਵੀਕ ਤੱਕ, 1.5 ਵੀਕ ਤੱਕ।
ओके
ਤੇ ਉਹ टी सीरीज का गाना मैं सुनया, टॉप क्लास गीत है, आपको सुनाया हुआ है। और उसके बाद उन्होंने बाद अपना गाना ला कदे कदे
नहीं क्यों अपना टॉप क्लास नहीं है?
टॉप क्लास गया मैं क्या, उस तो बाद अपना गाना कदे कदे टाइटल दस्या उल्लू,
हाँ, फिर ठीक है।
टाइटल दस्या। ਹੋਰ ਕਿਦਾਂ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਸਾਰਾ ਬੇਗਾਪੂ ਠੀਕ ਨੇ? ਸਾਡੇ ਸ਼ਾਇਰ ਠੀਕ ਨੇ? ਸ਼ਾਇਰ ਫਾਦਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ
ਸਾਡੇ ਸ਼ਾਇਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਨੇ, ਬਿਲਕੁਲ। ਉਹ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ ਨੇ ਲੋਕਡਾਊਨ, ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ, ਮੈਂ ਰੋਜ਼ ਉੱਠਦਾ, ਮੈਂ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦਾ ਆ, ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਖਾਲੀ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਫਿਰ ਵਧੀਆ। ਸੋ ਹੀ ਇਜ਼
ਸਾਧਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਧਵੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਗੋਡ ਬਲੈਸ ਯੂ ਭੈਣ ਮੇਰੀ, ਬਾਬਾ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਚ ਰੱਖੇ।
ਮੈਂ ਵੀ
ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ।
ਸਹੀ ਹੈ। ऑल द
ਮੈਂ
बेस्ट,
ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ
अपने
ਕਲਾ।
कंग्रेचुलेशन, तोड़दा दिल बैंड।
या इब्राहिमपुरी ਦਾ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਆ ਗਿਆ। ਭਾਮਿਕਾ ਇੱਕ ਮੈਂ ਸਪਾਰਸ਼ ਲਾਉਂ ਸੀ, ਇਬਰਾਹਿਮਪੁਰੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਆ, ਦੋਸਤ ਆ, ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰਦਾ, ਪਸੰਦ ਕਰਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ, ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਤੋਂ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਆ ਮੇਰਾ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਬੋਲ ਉਹਨੂੰ।
ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂ?
ਇੱਕ ਮੇਰਾ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਹੈ ਵਗਾ ਇਬਰਾਹਿਮਪੁਰੀ, ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਤੋਂ, ਮੇਰਾ ਦੋਸਤ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਕਹਿ ਦੇ।
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ ਪਸੰਦ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ, ਬਟ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ।
ਸਪਾਰਸ਼ ਪਾਦਾ ਨਾ, ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਲਡ
ਸਹੀ ਹੈ, ਵਧੀਆ।
ਮਾਫੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ, ਉਹ ਬੈਟਰੀ ਲੋ ਵਾਲਾ ਉਹ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ। ਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਗਾਇਸ ਤੂੰ ਆਪਦੇ ਕਰ ਲੈ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ, ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਹੀ ਐਡ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ, ਤੂੰ ਖੇਡ ਲਾ।
ਕੋਈ ਨਾ, ਵਧੀਆ ਕੀਤਾ, ਹੋ ਜਾ ਕਰ ਏਦਾਂ ਹੀ।
ਓਕੇ ਤਾਂ ਗਾਣਾ ਬਣਾਈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਔਰ ਡਾਰਲਿੰਗ ਟੇਕ ਕੇਅਰ, ਬਾਏ। ਕੈਲੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਆ ਜਾਉਂਦਾ ਰਾ, ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ, ਗॉड ब्लेस यू, टेक केयर, बाय बाय। हां जी, हेलो, ओ है हां जी यो
मैं कह रही थी नाउ आवर सॉन्ग इज रिलीजिंग इन जून। हां ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿਤਾ ਹੈ।
हां मतलब 1 महीने तक एग्जैक्टली फॉर नाउ, फ्रॉम नाउ।
ओके कूल।
या मैन
सही है।
ओके, टेक केयर, बाय बाय।
लाइव चॉन ले, थैंक यू, बाय।
ओके डार्लिंग, टेक केयर, ओके, बाय बाय।
बाय। Yay, that was cool, है ना? Also, news to our share hogi that me and Ami have done a song together, and that will release in June now. And that's also a sad song, beautiful song. You'll love it. Now, back to Godha. So, also, all of those who have not seen Godha, you can watch it on YouTube. And it is with English subtitles, and also there's a Hindi dubbed version also. So whoever has not watched Godha, please watch Godha. Also, I'm gonna do a headstand, and that's what I wanted to show you guys. That I'm gonna do a headstand out for Godha, okay? Because this is when I started learning how to do a headstand. I practiced very hard. But Godha was actually the film where I practiced headstand, that I wanted to do it because I was getting all strong. Okay? So I hope dikh raha hai. I'm going to do a headstand. Because it's... Okay, I'm going to do a headstand. Yeah, I'm live. You guys to dikh rahe ho with your dog. Wait, huh? Yeah. Look, I did a headstand. Huh? Yeah. Yay, so that's Mandy. Mandy and we don't have a name for this yet. But no, no, no. Yeah, we haven't named him yet. But yay! Mandy is finally a dog person. Yay! Manda, है ना? ये क्यों की हो गया? ਇੱਥੇ ਆਓ, ਇੱਥੇ ਸੁਨੇਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ.
So basically, ਵਾਮਿਕਾ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਕੁੱਤਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਪੰਪਕਿਨ ਐਂਡ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹਜੇ ਵੀ ਯਾਦ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹੀ ਸਵੇਰੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹੀ ਕੁੱਤਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਡਰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਐਂਡ I remember ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੰਬੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਵਾਮਿਕਾ ਨੇ ਨਵਾਂ ਪੰਪਕਿਨ ਲਿਆ ਸੀ ਐਂਡ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਵਾਮਿਕਾ ਨੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਸੀ ਸੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਛੱਡ ਗਈ ਐਂਡ ਪਹਿਲੇ 1-2 ਦਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤੰਗ ਹੋਈ ਐਂਡ then ਤੀਸਰੇ ਦਿਨ I think I was pretty much ਦੋਸਤੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਪੰਪਕਿਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਫਿਰ ਵਾਮਿਕਾ ਆ ਗਈ ਵਾਪਸ ਲੈ ਗਈ ਐਂਡ I think ਚੌਥੇ ਪੰਜਵੇਂ ਦਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਖੁਦ ਪੰਪਕਿਨ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ
ਮਿਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ
ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਪੰਪਕਿਨ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਸੋ yeah I'm finding
Yay! Bye, Manda. Bye, unnamed cutie. Yeah. 3 years, Manda.
congratulations
Yeah, Manda, isn't it your favorite film of mine also?
yes
Godha.
it is, हाँ जी, it is.
मेरी favorite है, Mandy दी favorite है. So yeah. So so this is what I learned, by the way, in Godha, headstand. I could never do a handstand, but yeah, anyway. I so wanted to take Tovino on live, but Tovino is a little busy. Also, he's home. But I want to tell you guys that Tovino has been such a good friend throughout. Throughout what? Like, since we filmed Godha until now. He's been such a good friend. He's such a nice person. I've had my best days shooting for Godha. Basil is crazy. He's one hell of a crazy guy. I loved working with him, and hopefully we're gonna work together soon. Vishnu, our DOP. Uh, I've already praised him a lot about his work a lot. He's such a talented person. Then Sarthi sir, my producer, he is one person who motivated me the most when I was shooting for Godha. I remember, I'll tell you. So when Sarthi sir and Basil came to me with the script of Godha, so they told me this is the story and all of that, and when I read the story, I got the narration, and I was so happy with it that I genuinely wanted to ask them that why are you taking me in this film? Like why are you not taking someone else? Because such a beautiful script, and I didn't know that they're gonna make it so beautifully. If you haven't watched Godha, you can watch it on YouTube. So I think they'll charge you what 50 rupees. So if you can watch it, please watch Godha. And also you can watch some Godha songs on YouTube. I love those songs. Just to give you a glimpse of what kind of 1 second. I actually recorded the wait. Yeah, look. Ooh, that's me, the wrestler. Hmm. So this and okay, and this also. I saw this video and I wanted. Wait, What the hell? Anyways, so I'll actually share a few things. Um, I actually want to share this one story. So when we were shooting for Godha, only 3 days of Kerala's shoot was left, and I got conjunctivitis, and we had to stop the shoot because I got this eye infection, and I shot with my with my infected eyes for 3 4 days, and it got so the other eye also got infected, and I we had to stop the shoot. So the last 3 days were the climax shoot, and we took 1.5 month break just so that I can recover from my infection, and then we shot again. Thank you, Sarthi sir. Thank you to the whole team of Godha for waiting, for for the constant faith, and for not giving up on me. And I, I think after 1.5 months, we shot those three climax. We shot the climax scene, and it was a big sequence. So it took us 3 days, and it was the climax fight was in mud with some mitti wala. Okay, a mitti wala akhada that we shot in, and it was pretty difficult. A lot of mitti went into my eyes, but yeah, it was all cool. Um, then we shot in Punjab. So before Godha, I shot for 3 or 4 films, Punjabi films in Punjab, but never for a Malayalam film. I remember when I was shooting for Godha in Punjab, it was what a beautiful experience I had. One second. No, one second. LOL, imagine if they would have shot the movie with your eye infected. They did. So I did shoot for the film for 3 days with one eye infected. So you remember that one scene where Tovino Das, Tovino's character Das, proposes to me, and he says, "I love you," and I'm saying, matlab, I obviously reject him, and I tell him that, I always looked at you as a friend. That scene. So you'll see in that scene, the lighting is such that only one eye is visible. And that is because the other eye had conjunctivitis. Yeah. So that's why we shot that scene like that. So only one eye is visible because the other eye was just getting a little big. And but we had to shoot. We had to complete that scene. So we shot. You'll see that scene again. You'll notice that there's this half light given on my face because they didn't want the infected eye to be seen. Yeah. And yeah, what else can I share with you? Also, the climax fight with Arushi. Oh, I had such a good time with Arushi. Arushi is such a beautiful person. I had a good time shooting with her. Also, I really wish Tovino was here. Uh, Even if Basil is here. Oh, you know what? Jitin is here. Wait, let me. Jitin, if you're here, just send a message no, so that I can add you in the live. Um, yeah, so 3 years of Godha, and some of the highlighted scenes, I'll tell you. The scene that was loved by so many of you was Sorry Bowl. I remember that Sorry Bowl, Sorry Bowl, Sorry Bowl, Sorry Bowl. That scene became so famous, and I am so thankful. Okay, there are kids right now. Yeah, okay. We have to watch them. Yeah. So, yeah. So, sorry, bowl scene. Then, what other scene is? Oh, the proposal scene when Tovino Das proposes to me. That scene got really famous. Then, what else? Tell me now. Tell me your best Godha scene. Yes, the red sari. The red sari became so famous. I was just because I wasn't feeling that confident in the red saree because I had gained so much weight for the wrestling character, for the wrestler character, that I was little underconfident when I wore the sari, and I was like, oh my god, I'm looking so broad. But that scene was loved by you all so much. So thank you. So which other song, which other moment that you liked in Godha? Oh, you know what? I'll tell you. This one sequence during the second half, in the second half, during the matches, there is one sequence where I'm like, you know, I'm sitting there beside the ring and there's sweat coming and I'm like so tired and exhausted and I'm looking at the ring and that sequence, I love that sequence. I absolutely love that sequence. Then one more sequence that I love is right after Tovino proposes to me, Das proposes to me, the sequence between Tovino and his father. I think that was so beautiful, so beautiful. I loved that sequence. Oh, and also Renji sir's song sequence. Oh my God. I remember they shot the whole night for that sequence because the camera was here. It was one take, and from there the camera comes, and then the whole stop motion scene. Oh my God. I was so happy to see that. It was just beautiful. Beautiful. Um, which scene you like the most? Oh, yes, I'll tell you which scene I like the most. I think it's right before the interval when I kind of say that monologue to Das about girls, about how does it feel being a girl, in the society. So that monologue, I really like that monologue. I'm gonna post that too. And what else? Okay, you know what? The song that I love. Oh, Rabba Bhayangariya, Penna Bhayangariya, Pennale, Priyangariya, Ranna Bhayangariya, Ayyayo. I love this song. Second, also, Wow song. One of my favorite. You know what? I like Arun Angel also. I like Oh, Rabba Bhayangariya. I like that also. I like Wow song also. Also, they've been filmed very nicely. Our DOP was amazing. Our director was amazing. So obviously, uh, yeah. Mm. What else? Which, Renji Sir song also. I love Renji Sir song. Like dun da 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 dun da 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 dun da 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 da. So I remember I asked Basil. I said, "What are they really saying?" So he told me that in the song they're actually narrating a story, of this, like, obviously Renji Sir sequence was playing, but they were narrating a story in the song. And I was so mesmerized by the whole concept, of the storytelling wala song and then Renji Sir's story and the filming of the song. Godha will always be a special, special film to me. It's a Malayalam film loved by so many people, and I played a Punjabi girl. I was so comfortable playing Aditi Singh, and I learned wrestling. I think since uh, strong, and I feel like I can beat up boys now. So thank you, Godha, for making me feel strong. Thank you, Godha, for giving me so much love. Thank you, Godha, for giving me so many cool friends. Tovino, Basil, Sarthi sir, uh, Vishnu, uh, Jitin. Uh, I'm really really thankful and blessed and grateful. Um Thank you, Godha, for making me feel satisfied with my work because Godha was one of those films that I felt like after shooting the film and also when the film got released, I was so happy. I was so happy to watch my own film. I was so like I just felt like I was part of a good project. I was part of a you know those projects that you say worth it. So Godha was totally worth it. The conjunctivitis and the pain and everything. Godha was totally worth it. Also, Basil is calling me. Basil, come here now. I how do I how can I connect? Wait, please answer. मैंने आपको Okay, so I'm gonna answer some questions now. Okay, so yeah, shoot your questions, please. When will your next movie in Malayalam? Valley Tom Tittle. So my next Malayalam film, I mean, obviously after Godha I did 9, but my next Malayalam film will be obviously after the lockdown. I'm gonna shoot for my next Malayalam film, and I will announce the film soon. So yeah, ma'am, which is your favorite subject? Subject as in what subject? Also, big shout out to these pages, Vamika Gabbi underscore team. There's another called the Goddess of Wind. My name Vamika means Goddess of Wind. So the page is Goddess of Wind, and they've been so nice. The other pages also, all the other fan pages. Thank you so much. You know the kind of posts that you keep posting. Uh, always bring back memories. So thank you for your constant love. And I don't know why. I mean, I'm not even the kind of person, you know, like, yeah. So I'm very thankful. I'm not the kind of person who will be, kind of my fans. I love this. I don't look at life like that. But I do know that you guys are the people who really like my work. And I'm very thankful that you like my work. And I hope I keep entertaining you guys. But I hope I keep doing better work. I hope I do really good work in the future. And that I'll be proud of. Because if I'll be proud of my work, I'm sure you will be proud of my work. So, yeah. So, next question. My experience in Alvin Baby. Beautiful experience. Malayalam industry has given me a lot of confidence, made me believe in films again, in good films again. Malayalam industry gave me that respect, that love that I never thought I deserved. So, and also Malayalam industry is known for its the kind of cinema that it creates, the kind of films that it makes. So I'm glad to be part of Malayalam industry. Yes. Do you time travel a lot? Well, I yeah, I better not answer that question because then it will be revealed that I time travel. So maybe you'll believe me, maybe you won't that I time travel. Maybe I do. How would you know? Maybe you think I'm joking right now. Maybe you think I don't time travel. Maybe that's what I want you to believe. Maybe I want you to believe the opposite. Maybe, maybe. Anyways, mm, so Derwin Andrews asked me that question. Do you time travel a lot? I hope you got the answer. But you didn't get your answer. What do you? I know my internet keeps cutting off. I know skits 00 underscore. Say something in Malayalam. Yellavaikum Namaskaram. Orappa Bhayangariya, Penne Bhayangariya. That's all. When are you coming to Kerala? As soon as the lockdown ends, I will visit Kerala for sure. Hi, Ani, Sanu. I'm good. Lockdown is, I should not complain because I think it's all good. I hope things get better. And there are more people in this world, in our country, that need them. So, yeah, for me, it's fine. Natasha Videj. No, it's Natasha Vadach. Natasha Vadach. मैं वो ਅੱਗ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਫੈਲ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਹੈ ਨਤਾਸ਼ਾ ਬੜਾਚ Hi, do I am good friends, Monica Madam. Hey, Vishwa Maharshi, thank you. Which Nokia phone? What the hell do you mean by which Nokia phone? You know what? It was just a. I just like this. No, not this. Where is it? I want that back. Where is that? I like this also, by the way. But where is that? Ah, yes, I like it. Oh no, where is it? I want that back. Yes, yes. Okay. Questions. Um, Something about Corona. Everybody is talking about Corona anyway. What will I tell you guys? I can only tell you guys to be careful, to use hand sanitizers all the time, to be very, very careful about your parents, about the elders in your family. Make sure you're doing all the work. Thank you, Munsif 6655. Very big fan of us. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vamika Gabbi underscore team. Thank you. Thank you, I Shubham Atri. Thank you, 24 Sam Sotwick. So I already praised so much about Tovino, yeah. अभी क्या अभी वही बोलते रहो. Galvakri is almost done. The shoot is done. Underscore Singh.jeet. Galvakri with the same Jasser, my next Punjabi film. We've shot the film. Just some patchwork is left. We were supposed to release it on April 3rd, but we couldn't. But we will release it soon. So yeah. Uh, la 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 la. Gursimar Singh, thumbs up to you too. Zodiac sign. My zodiac sign is sign is Libra. I'm a Libran, but I don't believe in zodiac signs. But you know, as teenagers, you always tend to see, hey, what am I? So I got to know that I am a Libran. But yeah, but you know what? I am a liberal, like liberal. Yeah. Num 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 num. Um, okay, how are you? Remember 16 movie. Hi, Mayank. I remember 16 movie. I am coming back to Malayalam. Don't worry, guys. I am doing another Malayalam film. You will see me again in Malayalam. I promise. Ajju Varghese. Yes, I didn't talk about Ajju Varghese. He's such a. All the comedians, all the actors, the supporting actors of a film. Parvati ma'am, Renji sir, Ajju Varghese, sir, everyone else. I had such a good time with them. Without them, Godha won't be possible. Godha is incomplete. So, thank you to all. Thank you. Next, when will we see in Punjabi movie? Look, I've done two Punjabi films already. One is Kaun Hai Yaar with Jassi Gill. Um, Second is also Kaun Hai Yaar is a horror comedy, but you guys will love Kaun Hai Yaar. You guys will love Kaun Hai Yaar. So I can't wait for that film also to get released. And it's Ami's production, so Ami told me that he might release it on OTT, or maybe they'll wait for the theaters to open. We have no idea at all. So let's see what happens. I am not gonna remove this stupid filter, aristocratic. Let me be stupid, please. Mm, I'm home. This is a small park where I meet Mandy also because she was here walking her dog. No, I will not take the effect off. I love this effect. I am gonna do all my lives in this effect. People are looking at me now. Dil Jyot, I have written some shairis for you. Please send it to me. I would love to read your shares. Thank you. I will stay safe. Okay. So, just another question, then I'll say bye bye to you guys. Hey, Shruti. Shruti. Mm. Hi, Hardy. Hardy Sandhu. Hardy, I'm glad that you're here. I also want to mention 83. I'm playing, me and Hardy, we both are part of 83, the film, the cricket film. And I got to work with Hardy, and Hardy is such an amazing person. I'm glad I met Hardy. I'm glad that I got to know Hardy in person. He's such a nice guy. Thank you, Hardy, for being so nice to me during the shoot. And you're a star. I loved working with you. किद्दां गबिया ठीक है हाडी मैं वधिया I am good. We'll see you very soon. I am also very happy that they're not releasing 83 on OTT platforms. They're releasing 83 in theaters whenever the lockdown ends, because 83 is such a film that you should not be watching on your laptop or on your phone or on your TV. 83 deserves the theater experience. So whenever it releases, please watch it in theaters, because you guys will feel so motivated, happy. I don't know what all you guys will feel after watching 83. So yeah, I'm also a small part of 83, by the way. I am playing Hardy. Hardy is playing Madan Lal. I'm playing his wife Anulal. So I had a good time. I have a small part in the film, but I wanted to be part of such a historical film. So yeah. Okay. Okay. So guys, thank you uh, again. Thank you. 3 years of Godha. Three big, awesome years of Godha. And thank you for all the love that you guys have given me for Godha. And I'm going to do more Malayalam films. And also, you guys give so much love to Nine also. But Godha tops it all. I can. Godha is my special film. And those who have not watched it, please watch it on YouTube or find it. I don't know. Just watch Godha. You can get DVDs also. So just watch it. I promise you'll like it, and you'll love the film, and you'll like how it's made, and you'll like all the songs, and you'll like all the scenes, and you like all the performances, and you like everything, and you like everything, and you like me, and you like Tovino, and you like the making, the DOP of the film. You love him, the work that he's done. Also, I'm going to do my last headstand and then say bye bye to all of you. Okay? This time I will face you guys. Okay, so last headstand. Actually, I will be, yeah. I'm not great at it, but I think I will get better. Great, guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining me in this live session. I love you guys. And 3 years of Godha. I'm going to celebrate it with a glass of wine and some Godha music. Our own angel, all of that. And wow, that song, wow song. And I really wish I had the songs right now. We could dance together. Or you know what? Maybe I'll come live in some time again and we'll dance to the song together. Okay, bye. I love you guys. Thank you. Bye. 3 years of Godha. Balla balla. Okay, bye.